Oh wow, what a wonderful sight. Ah, the duckies. Hello, duckies. Duckies. Oh no, duckies. Unfortunately, I have no bread for you, but never mind. Next time I'm here, I'll have some bread for you. And I'll feed it. Ducky, geese, duckies and goosies. The duckies and the goosies. Duckies and goosies. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. That's just funny. You're just tickling yourself. The ducky tickling or touching himself with its beak. The geese, more likely a goose. A goose tickling and touching itself with its beak. Oh, imagine what the bloody trolls would think of this shit. Oops, shit, sorry about the language. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, I've said fuck. Oh, fuck, I've said shit. No, not here, not at the railway. Otherwise I'd be in serious trouble as a result of their regulations. Oh, this is a funny sight. Oh, cat. Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh. Wow, you had a flap there. Oh. Enchanted little sight, that. Enchanted sight, I must say.